Hello and welcome. I came across a problem with GitLab. It did not deploy on my cluster because Mycrec 8's version. So let's upgrade version newer one. The current version is 19 and it can update to 21. Okay, let's start draining first node. Seems that the pod is stuck, so draining need to take by force. Then check that workloads are moved to other nodes. Looks that a major part of workloads are moved to other nodes. Then this node workload is empty and Mycrec 8's can be updated. Simply run snap refresh Mycrec 8's to the desired version. Then the update is ready and Kubernetes status could be checked. Now the first node can be resume to cluster and have workloads. Run uncordon command on last. What if update goes wrong? Snap can be revert to previous version. Then update next node. Last all nodes are in same version. Thanks for watching and see you soon.